Hey everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video, I'm going to start laying out some plastic so I can get in and out of my recently trenched out system and start installing some of this plumbing. So today's video will be plastic, and then I'll start putting some plumbing supplies down there and just start getting everything teed up and ready to go so I can get in and out of there, without getting super dirty. So if you enjoyed today's content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you have questions, check out my other content on the digging project or drop your questions in the comment section. And without any more hesitation, let's get into the clips. Enjoy the video.
They said that you loved me all along. Now I see you dancing with some other man. I wanna see where this goes. I need a light to see home, and I want you to know, sunshine, you are my sunshine. It's another morning. I wanna wake up as more than just friends. Sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it in. And I wanted to feel for you. I wanted you to feel it too. I wanna see you come around my way. And I wanted to feel for you. I wanted you to feel it too. I wanna see you come around so we can begin again. I wanted to feel for you. I wanted you to feel it too. I wanna see you come around my way. And I wanted to feel for you. I wanted you to feel it too.
Everybody, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to pre-assemble and dry fit this junction point. And basically it's going to go in, I'll show you in a second, but this is where the washer comes in from the outside of the house. This is where the sink will come in, and this is where my new drain line is going to connect over to the main sewer on the opposite end of the house. So I'm going to time lapse the rest of this. I'm going to get it ready to put these little dry fit these in. And I'm actually going to use rubber couplers so I have a little bit of more play and it's easier to install under the house. So enjoy the time lapse.
You are my sunshine. Let it in, let it in.
Alright, so I didn't have a measuring tape when I was down here the other day, and I thought this was a 4-inch, but here just a bit ago I suspected it was a 3-inch when I was looking at it. Anyway, I had bought this 4-inch male threaded to 4-inch female hub fitting, and this is too big to connect to those threads, which I'm still not even sure if they're going to come loose, but I'll get them loose one way or another if I have to cut this piece out so I can save my outer threads. But the size of this cap is 3.5 inches, and then this cap is basically 4.5. So obviously that's a 3-inch thread. So I'll have to either get a 3-inch thread end, a male thread, to a 3-inch hub, and then size it up to a 4-inch. Or just get a 3-inch, and then get a different reducer to go from a 3-inch to a 2-inch, and then I'll just buy a 3-inch pipe, or 3-inch pipe to connect them, because it's just gray water line coming in, so it doesn't matter if it's 4-inch or 3-inch, because it's getting smaller and it's going to go into this. So I will get on the Lowe's app and figure that out. So all right, I'm gonna go over here and fix that little tiny water leak, and then get over to my other junction and kind of make some marks on it where I'm gonna cut.